How to fix you need official WhatsApp to log in GV problem solved. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to log into your WhatsApp account but you are not being able to log in because you are facing a problem like this, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on the very WhatsApp application. After you tap that, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on I like option, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of app permissions. After tapping on app permission, you have to allow the permission to call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification phone, photos and videos, and SMS. After that, you can go back again and then tap on the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again. Then tap on the option of storage. If you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again and then go to the next option, that is app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see the option of developer contact here. You can send an email to the developer contact regarding your problem, and if the developer receives it within 24 hours, your problem can be solved that way. Otherwise, you can go to the Play Store application on your mobile device, and in the search section of the Play Store, now you have to search WhatsApp there. And after searching WhatsApp, if you see the option of update there, you have to update your very application, and this way as well your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.